Greetings from Southwest Florida. I regret I cannot be with you face-to-face to launch this award from Young People in Recovery and the Association of Recovery Schools that acknowledges some of the modern pioneers in addiction recovery research. The United States has for more than 2 centuries medically illuminated addiction-related pathologies and acute care models of addiction treatment. But from the standpoint of science, we know very little about the prevalence, pathways, processes, stages, and styles of long-term personal and family recovery. A new recovery advocacy movement and a new generation of addiction scientists are acknowledging the existence of millions of people in long-term recovery in the U.S. and are suggesting it is time we as a country mine this collective recovery experience. This extension of pathology and intervention paradigms to a recovery paradigm holds enormous promise for individuals, families, and communities affected by severe, complex, chronic, and all too often lethal alcohol and other drug problems. The young men and women your organizations represent offer living proof of the transformative power of recovery. You offer not just new insights into the problem, but illustrate with your lives the proposition that there are multiple pathways to long-term addiction recovery and that all are cause for celebration. You will have many people clamoring to share the excruciating details of your sickness. I urge you to resist such invitations and instead share with them the details of how you got well and then how you got better than well. Share with them the solutions you have found. Provide the words and images that will serve as an antidote to degrading stereotypes and social stigma. And I hope you will continue to reach out to inspire new generations of scientists who share your focus on the lived solutions to addiction. You and those who will receive this award in the coming years have the opportunity to write the future of addiction recovery in America. I wish each of you Godspeed on your journey into that future, and thank you again for this deeply appreciated acknowledgement of my life's work.